Incremental greetings. Today I want to share with you something about the image registry. So here I have almost 1600 members in the registry. You'll see, okay, usually they are JPEG, but look at that. The yellow means that they are PNG. Those cases, they have the extension because they have been used by Control F8, and I haven't renamed those. But look, that's not the case here. This has been renamed, right? And this is for GIF, this other color. So you get the point, right? So you can actually select and filter down by format. So let's say that I want the file type of GIF pictures. So I will go here, subset, select format, and in this case, so I will click here, and voila! Now I have all the GIFs in my collection. And that's true for PNG and so on. But usually, I think GIF is one of the most useful for filtering because usually you have more data. It's like a video in reality, more than a picture, right? So I will use this item as an example. So links, registry member. I could do the same now, right? Inside here, because this is the image registry. So once again, subset, selection format, GIF. And look, how cool is that? Now, obviously, that's not useful in this case because I am using a dummy item. But that's especially true for one of those, especially the brain that is kind of seen in a still picture. You can use GIF, and it's pretty convenient. You can filter those on the registry. First, for selecting that and linking it. And second, to check if you already have one already on your registry or not. And for getting rid of it, well, unlinking is delete registry link. I'm just getting rid of the link in that item. I still have the picture on my registry.